Can you hear now? Please let me know. This is a big goof up. Can you hear me now? I think you can hear me now. So it means whatever I was talking about from past few minutes, it's all wasted. Oh God. Seriously. Great. Thank you so much for seriously answering this because I can see few more people there. I don't know, but nobody is answering. Just a sec. There will be noise now, I guess, because this is the second time I'm using this mic. So I really wanted to know if it is sound is very clear or not. If you can hear the sound of like AC fan or it's like very clear, just tell me that. Not complete waste, Rosie. Thank you so much. Much appreciated. So, anyways, now what I was talking about, I have talked about many things, but it's all kind of wasted. So, I was talking about my clearance sale. It is still going on. It is almost over. I still have many amazing blends with me, and definitely, as I said, that I really want to. I'm planning about something because there is this season time coming, and there are so many exhibitions also. So we are focusing on few amazing blends of ours, and other amazing blends. I am selling on very amazing, very good pricing. So if any of you wants to purchase or like any kind of thing, like maybe it's a discovery set, 100 mls, 50 mls, 30 mls, 20 mls. We have all kind of mls, but I really want you guys to try that. And if you have any query related to perfumes, fragrances, any kind of query, be it anything, so I'm just a DM away, not a call away. So kindly don't disturb because there are few people which is like little kind of disturbing, jokey. They are not friends, and they are just kind of just here, and they right away they call without even any permission or anything. So that kind of seriously, that's not right. So if you have any query, you can always DM me, and definitely you can always see my WhatsApp number there because it is mentioned, my business WhatsApp number. So you can always get in touch with me for any kind of query. I do perfume consultations before suggesting you what all to buy because it is very important. Every personality has different kind of we all have different kind of skin texture. There are weather conditions. There is so much to think about before buying any kind of fragrance. So whenever, be it from me or be it from anywhere else, if you are buying, if you are planning to buy any fragrance because that fragrance is kind of you are just your any of your friend or any of your like loved one or anyone, they are wearing that fragrance and you are in love with that fragrance, seriously doesn't mean that इसका कि जब आप वो लगाओगे, when you will wear that fragrance, वो आप पे भी उतनी ही काइंड ऑफ उसी तरह से स्मेल करेगी, नहीं, ऐसा नहीं है. So we all have different kind of skin chemistry, skin texture, weather conditions, then our personality also, it makes a huge difference. So you really need to be careful about all these things. And I have seen many people जो कि हमारे काफी clients हैं, exhibitions पे आते हैं या otherwise, they just kind of spray once and they are like, no, 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 this is not good, or they are like, wow, this is amazing. And trust me, I always even tell those people जो कि हमें लगता है कि okay fine, they have found it amazing so they are gonna buy it, but I always tell them just give it at least few minutes and then see कि आपको उसका जो एक बेस नोट है वो क्या आ रहा है. बिकॉज बहुत बहुत बार ऐसा होता है, we go in the market, we go to malls, we go to various places and then जल्दी जल्दी में हम लोग just spray करते हैं. और उसके साथ एक और चीज होती है, when there is like generally if you go to any mall or any you can say any showroom or anywhere, any store of perfumes, ऑलरेडी वहां पे जो प्रोजेक्शन और परफ्यूम्स का होता है, जो स्याज होता है, सब कुछ वो इतना ज्यादा आपको सराउंडेड ऑलरेडी होता है that you cannot actually make the difference between actual note of that fragrance which you are trying. So I would always suggest you कि जब भी आप कहीं पे भी fragrance try करते हो, always spray and then try to spray it on your skin. Trust me, ये जो आप काइंड ऑफ कार्ड पे स्प्रे करना या फिर परफ्यूम स्लिप पे स्प्रे करना, दैट इज कंप्लीट नो नो, बिकॉज स्किन की जो केमिस्ट्री होती है, जो टेक्सचर होता है, उसके अकॉर्डिंगली परफ्यूम हमेशा डिफरेंट स्मेल करता है हर किसी पे. So you need to spray that. You just take around here and there, just come out of that store or the place, and then see. उसके थोड़ी देर के बाद you keep smelling, and then if you are liking the base note, and then तब तक आपको पता चल जाता है कि क्वालिटी क्या है, it is giving good projection, it is still there, और वो उड़ गया है जो कि बहुत सारे परफ्यूम्स होते हैं within 10-15 minutes ऐसा लगता है कि they are not there. So you need to take care of these things while purchasing any kind of fragrance. And yes, बहुत बार ऐसा होता है, like जो people who are there at the store who are selling the fragrances, again no offense, but most of the time they are not given that kind of training. They are not well equipped with the things. I have seen, again I would not name those brands, but sometimes I get a shock कि like when you go to mall and you are actually visiting a amazing kind of big store, big brand, and when you talk to those people, sometimes there are many, बहुत ही कम chances होते हैं that they are knowledgeable and they are actually telling you few things which are which actually makes a difference. Otherwise they don't have any knowledge. They have just very very, I would say, in not even basic knowledge, and they are there to sell those fragrances which are kind of 8,000, 10,000, 20,000, और उससे भी ज्यादा. So ये चीज बहुत डिफरेंस करती है कि आप जिनसे परफ्यूम ले रहे हैं, दैट पर्सन शुड बी नॉलेजेबल इनफ so that that person can understand your personality. They can guide you in a right way, in a better way, क्योंकि मोस्टली यही होता है. आई हैव सीन मेनी ऑफ माय क्लाइंट्स, दे कम टू मी एंड दे आर लाइक, यार खरीदा कुछ और था और इसका फ्रेग्रेंस नाउ लाइकिंग, या फिर इसमें ये प्रॉब्लम है, इसमें ये प्रॉब्लम है. सो यू नीड टू बी वेरी केयरफुल while purchasing. I would say not only perfume, anything, any kind of skin का कुछ भी है, you need to make sure first quality should be very good, person should be trustworthy, and उसके बाद you need to do little homework about things. किसी को कोई फ्रेग्रेंस अच्छा लगता है, एंड यस एक देयर इज वन मोर थिंग आई हैव नोटिस्ड इन क्लाइंट्स, they spray the fragrance rather than they taking the decision. What they do is like they're asking their friends or relatives. Sorry, there was a call. So they just look for a kind of, they wait for other people's approval. Lasting time is also an